Hi there everyone, this is your MWIS fleeting view for the week ahead and a little peek into the weekend. And of course we have, as you're probably all well aware, a really decent week coming up for most of the mountains and hills. Let's start off by looking at Wednesday. This is the chart for the very beginning of the day on Wednesday, and the black is indicating a lot of blue skies. We've got very few clouds in the sky, and it is going to be feeling very warm across most of the mountains, slightly warmer than what we had today as well. So hydrate, hydrate, hydrate if you are up walking on the hills and mountains through this week in particular. We do have to point out a couple of things though. Northwestern parts of Scotland, always cloudier, mostly towards the coasts where fog is likely to shroud those hills here, creating some patchy drizzle as well. Other thing to watch for across the Highlands region is that stronger wind and strengthening markedly with height. So something to bear in mind as we go through. But you can see generally through the day, lots of blue sky. We do need to be careful with that strong sunshine. Do bring some sunscreen. There's no really very little relief from any cloud cover anywhere across those hills. If we move on to Thursday, this is what it looks like for the start of the day. Again, winds will be a factor for the Highlands region. A southwesterly 25 to 40 mile an hour wind is to be expected. Otherwise, we're looking at another fine, dry, sunny and warm day with temperatures expected to rise up to 22 or 23 on those hills across England and Wales in particular, even hotter, of course, on the lower slopes. Again, a reminder just to take that sunscreen and drink plenty of water. Right, let's move on to what Friday has in store. This is just the rest of the country, creating a little bit of an easterly breeze through here. We've got, once again, the weather to note will be, though, across the Highlands region, where cloud will be rather extensive, fog in the glens and also on the hills. Some seeing on and off rain, light rain at that though too. But across the other mountains do expect cloud-free hills, maybe a bit of fog in the valleys for a couple of hours from dawn though, so just watch for that. But we are expecting another dry and sunny and very warm day with highs reaching up into the mid-20s across those hills. Again, of course, higher still through the lower slopes. And then a quick peek into the weekend. Well, a higher pressure does tend to float slightly away, particularly by the time we get to Sunday. Saturday looks to be another hot day. Again, possible rain and cloudier skies for the Highlands region, but generally dry and fine elsewhere. And Sunday, we start to introduce a little bit more in the way of lower pressure pushing in. So there's that slight higher risk of seeing a few showers. Could be thundery as well. But whatever you're doing this week and weekend, do take care out in that heat. Have a great one. That is your MWIS fleeting view for the week and weekend ahead.